In today's video, I'm going to teach you extract URLs from hyperlinks in Google Sheets. If you've ever had a sheet full of clickable text and just needed the actual web addresses behind those links, this is the fastest, no-code way to reveal them without opening every single one. First up is the simplest trick. Hover your mouse over any linked cell. Google Sheets shows a small pop-up with the full URL. In that pop-up, you'll see a copy link icon. Click it, and the URL is copied instantly to your clipboard. You never leave your spreadsheet, you don't risk opening the site, and you get exactly what you need in a second or two. If the pop-up doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or move the cursor slightly to trigger it. Next, if you want to grab the URL directly from the cell for use elsewhere, click the cell and press Ctrl+K. This opens the link editor right inside the sheet, revealing the destination URL. Just drag to highlight it and copy. That's it. No formulas, no scripts, no stress. It's great when you're cleaning data, documenting sources, or preparing a quick list of references. If you accidentally click away, just repeat Ctrl+K and you're right back in the editor. Now, what if you're dealing with a huge list of links and you want a clean set of URLs all at once? Here's a clever workaround. Select your linked cells and sheets, copy them, and paste them into a new Google Doc. Then go to the File menu, choose Download, and pick Plain Text. This export strips away the display text and formatting, leaving you with a neat text file of the URLs themselves. It's a fast way to batch extract links without any coding. Once the file downloads, you'll have a streamlined list that's easy to review, share, or reuse. This method works best when your sheet contains hyperlinks attached to text, not just pasted URLs. And that's all there is to it. Hover to preview and copy instantly. Use Ctrl+K to open the link editor for quick copying, and for big jobs, paste into a Google Doc and download as plain text to peel out the links in bulk. Sometimes the simplest way is the best way. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets shortcuts.